Well guys, how's it going, and thanks for tuning in. Today we get this 2012 Nissan Pathfinder Silver Edition. And this can be wonderful. Look at this dog, I'll scoop. And so we do. Start up. And then one, show you. Along with the smart key system, you can remotely unlock and lock your vehicle. And have the key fob you. Hit the button once to lock it. 1, 2 BB keys to locking. 1, 2, 8 seconds, here we go. It has the silver gray exterior with a tail light into it. Pretty cool to say at least. I don't think so. Alright, you do, and start it up, and the key followed you. Which is on the brake. Turn the ding to start. Very simple as that.
He's got a test. But I'll just hold the kid back.